Natilla doesn't need a whole panic episode. First, a strawberry compote. Bright and juicy. Because one layer clearly had no ambition. Time for the eggs. They had one job and declined. Wait. The food handler certificate is watching. One simple pat is all I need. No tempering drama. Grandma just put everything in the pot and stirred. And honestly, she had a point. At first, it looks suspicious. And then, suddenly, comfort enters the chat. This part is basically edible therapy. Heat on low. Close your tabs, stir the natilla. That's what we were waiting for. Heat off. The cinnamon understood the assignment and the butter showed up right on time. Silky, sweet, no saltiness involved. We strain out the lumps and whatever chaos survived the week. Strawberry first, natilla next. She has been through enough. Let her chill. And then we added berries like the dessert had its life together. Full recipe is in the description.